students, welcome to another day of class. Today is Wednesday. We are in the middle of the week. We are just missing week, Thursday and Friday. Yes, sure. So today is Wednesday, August 26, 2020. And in our reading class today, we have a special reading. So please open your book, Reading and Comprehension on page 15. Books, Reading and Comprehension on page 15. And we are going to start. Okay, here I am. So, we are going to read about the wood scrap that talks. Imagine a wood scrap that can talk. How is that possible? So, we are going to start with our reading. So, our story is about John. John was a missionary. So that means that John was a person like an ambassador from God. That is a missionary person. Okay, so he was a missionary to the natives of Rarotonga. Do you know what Rarotonga is? Well, I'm going to show you a picture. So Rarotonga is an island. Like this one that I have here, I have a picture of Rarotonga. Rarotonga is an island in New Zealand. So, it's just like a part of sand surrounded by water. Okay, so, John was there, that place. And he was constructing what? He was constructing a building. But what type of building? A church. So he was constructing a church, like in this case. Can you see this picture? Okay, he was constructing a church. And what happened? When he was constructing the church, he forgot something important. He forgot his square to measure, to create some right lines. So he had an idea. He decided to take one scrap of wood. Do you know what is a scrap of wood? The ones that I have here in the picture are a scrap of woods. These ones. Son como pequeñas tablas de madera que ya no necesitamos. Those are scraps of wood. Desechos de madera. Okay, so this man used a scrap of wood to send a message to his wife. So that's why the wood scrap that talk. Okay, after you finish with the reading, you're going to discover some important things. Read since here until here. Read the whole page. After you finish with the reading, what you're going to do is that you're going to complete this part. Here we have page 16, right? So, we have here the first activity, circle the correct answer. So, how was the native first at the beginning? After you finish, the native at the beginning was puzzled. That means that he was some stunned or something strange or something like that. Primero eres tú intrigado. Then when the native saw the missionary wife to look at the wood scrap and find the square, he was amazed, asombrado, amazed, sorprendido. Then after you finish to circle those things, you're going to write the answers on the blank. Here we have the word puzzle and we have the word amazed. Remember, dialogue is what we call the words characters say in the story. On the lines below, write the dialogue that shows the native was puzzled or amazed. So what we are going to write here on this part first is this part. The wood scrap will said. This part, I'm going to write it here on puzzle. And this part, how did she know what Mr. Williams want? I'm going to write it here in amazed. And that's what you have to do. Then at home, you are going to write here on those lines, what do you think that happened in the story after everything finished? Ustedes van a escribir qué creen o cómo creen que continuó la historia después. And that's everything what you have to do in your reading class today. I'm sending you a lot of hugs, a lot of kisses. I love you so much. Blessings from the Lord. See you until next class.